Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Hadith Bites, your go-to channel for insightful discussions on Islam and its teachings. Today, we delve into a topic that holds significant importance in the lives of Muslim women worldwide: the significance of hijab. Hijab, an Arabic word meaning to cover or to veil, is not merely a piece of cloth but a symbol of modesty, dignity, and faith for Muslim women. Its importance is deeply rooted in the teachings of Islam and reflected in various verses of the Quran and Hadiths. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, emphasizes the concept of modesty for both men and women. In Surah An-Nur, verse 31, Allah says, "And tell the believing women to lower their gaze and guard their private parts, and not expose their adornment except that which appears thereof." Here, hijab serves as a shield, protecting women's modesty and preserving their dignity. Hijab is not a symbol of oppression, as some may misconstrue it to be. Rather, it empowers women by shifting the focus from physical appearance to intellect, character, and spirituality. It liberates them from societal pressures to conform to unrealistic beauty standards and encourages them to be recognized for their inner qualities. Beyond its spiritual significance, hijab promotes social cohesion and respect within communities. It fosters an environment of mutual respect, where individuals are judged based on their character and actions rather than superficial attributes. Throughout history, hijab has taken various forms, adapting to cultural norms and contexts. From the intricately embroidered veils of Ottoman royalty to the colorful headscarves of West African Muslims, hijab reflects the diversity and beauty of Islamic traditions. In conclusion, hijab is not merely a piece of fabric but a symbol of faith, modesty, and empowerment for Muslim women. It serves as a reminder of their commitment to Allah and their identity as part of a global community of believers. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the significance of hijab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hadith Bites for more enlightening discussions on Islam and its teachings. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.